Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Alpha Academy. Hope you are doing great. In today's video we are going to discuss Aligarh movement. The Aligarh movement was a social, educational and political reform movement launched in the late 19th century for the uplift of Indian Muslims. It was led by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who believed that Muslims could only progress by adopting modern education, scientific thinking and rational outlook while remaining faithful to Islamic values. Let's discuss the historical background after the War of Independence 1857. जंग आज़ादी 1857 के बाद अंग्रेज़ों ने मुसलमानों को बगावत का असल जिम्मेदार करार दिया। उसकी वजह यह थी कि ज़्यादातर मुस्लिम हुक्मरान, सिपाही और रहनुमा इस जंग में पेश थे। क्योंकि इससे पहले तवील अरसे तक हिंदुस्तान पर मुसलमानों की हुकूमत रही थी, इसीलिए अंग्रेज़ों को खौफ था कि मुसलमान दोबारा इक़्तिदार हासिल करना चाहते हैं। इसी वजह से मुसलमानों के साथ सख्त और इम्तियाजी सलूक किया गया। उसके बाद मुसलमानों की जायदादें जब्त कर ली गईं। After the failure of the revolt, the British punished Muslims by confiscating their lands, houses, and estates. Many Muslims, nobles, and landowners were declared traitors, and their properties were seized without fair trials. This economic destructions weakened and Muslims community and punished them into poverty. सरकारी मुलाजमतों से महरूमी। मुसलमानों को जानबूझकर सरकारी मुलाजमतों से दूर रखा गया। अंग्रेजी हुकूमत मुसलमानों पर एतमाद नहीं करती थी और हिंदुओं को दफ्तरी और इंतजामी ओहदों पर तरजीह देती थी। इस पॉलिसी के नतीजे में मुसलमान सियासी तौर पर कमज़ोर हो गए और इक़्तिदार के निज़ाम से बाहर हो गए। मुसलमानों का अंग्रेजी तालीम से गुरेज। Most Muslims avoided English education because they believed it would threaten their religion, culture, and traditions. English was associated with Christianity and Western values. Religious scholars also discouraged modern education, which caused Muslims to remain confined to traditional learning. Muslims fell behind Hindus. Hindus quickly adopted English education and modern sciences while Muslims resisted it. As a result, Hindus became more educated and skilled, gaining access to better opportunities. Due to lack of modern education, Muslims were unable to compete for government and private jobs. Hindus dominated offices, courts, and businesses, while Muslims faced unemployment and poverty. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan realized that the real causes of Muslim decline was ignorance of modern education and scientific knowledge. He believed that without English education and modern thinking, Muslims could not survive in the new British system. This realization led him to start the Aligarh movement to uplift Muslims educationally, socially, and politically. Let's see the aims and objectives of the Aligarh movement. Promotion of modern education. अलीगढ़ तहरीक का सबसे अहम मकसद मुसलमानों में जदीद तालीम का फ़रोग़ देना था। सर सैयद अहमद खान का ख्याल था कि जदीद इल्म के बगैर मुसलमान तरक्की नहीं कर सकते। उसके बाद अलीगढ़ तहरीक का एक अहम मकसद मुसलमानों और अंग्रेज़ों के दरमियान ताल्लुकात को बेहतर बनाना था। सर सैयद ने मुसलमानों को मशवरा दिया कि वो टकराव और दुश्मनी से गुरेज करें। उनका ख्याल था कि मुफाहमत के ज़रिए मुसलमान सरकारी मुलाज़मतें हासिल कर सकते हैं और मुआशी इस्तेहकाम हासिल हो सकता है। वफादारी और एतमाद के ज़रिए मुसलमान अपने सियासी मफादात का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ कर सकते हैं। रिमूवल ऑफ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. Sir Syed aimed to remove mutual misunderstandings between Muslims and the British. He worked to correct British misconceptions that Muslims were disloyal and anti-progress. At the same time, he tried to eliminate Muslims' misconceptions that Western education was against Islam. Through writings, speeches, and institutions, he proved that modern education and Islam could coexist. Sir Syed opposed blind imitations of old customs and traditions. He argued Muslims to understand religions rationally rather than following traditions without thinking. This approach helped remove superstitions and stagnation from Muslim society. The Aligarh movement emphasized reasoning, logic, and critical thinking. Sir Syed believed that rational thinking was essential for progress in science, education, and society. This mindset helps Muslims adapt to modern world. The Aligarh movement laid the foundation of Muslims' awakening by promoting modern education, social reforms, and political awareness. Social reforms and blind imitations, taqlid, promote rational thinking, improve moral and social conduct. And then criticism of the Aligarh movement. Some critics said it was pro-British, it ignored mass education, it benefited elite Muslims only. However, supporters argue it was a practical strategy, it saved Muslims from total decline. The Aligarh movement was a turning point in Muslims' history of the subcontinent. It transformed a backward and defeated community into a progressive, educated, and politically conscious nation. Without the Aligarh movement, the freedom struggle of Muslims and the creation of Pakistan would not have been possible. And Sir Syed Ahmad Khan prepared Muslims to face the challenges of the modern world. The movement not only uplifted Muslims educationally and socially, but also laid the intellectual foundation for their future political awakening. If you found helpful this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.